a little fortress up there. This is where I'll take you. A beautiful, breathtaking view all over, not only over the city, but over the old bay. I was only once at the cruise. It was here in the Western Mediterranean, and I can remember that it was hard for me waking up every morning just to look, okay, where am I now? Where did I woke up? Which part of the Europe? Which part of the Mediterranean? So now on your left will be, you see that little fortress up there? On the left side, on the hill. This is where we'll go now. There's also actually another way to come there, to climb up there. Stairs. 500 something, 530 something. Anyone interested?
No.
Okay. Sometimes I'm also with small children, you know, with the schools and so on. And then I said, who will be nasty? He will climb up the stairs. So all of them are quiet and good. What's really interesting about that hill, apart that fortress, is a church, the Church of the St. Mary's, the Holy St. Mary of Trsat. This is the name of that church, and it's not only the church. This is the Christian, so the Catholic Church, but it's also the most important sanctuary, the most important pilgrimage place here in Croatia. So a lot of people, not only from Croatia, but also from Italy, from Slovenia, from all of this region, is coming here to this sanctuary, praying for some miracle to happen. And you will also have the opportunity, it doesn't matter if you're a believer or not, if you're a Catholic or if you're some other religion. I believe those spiritual places like this are really a good spot just to be grateful, just to thank, or to ask for something, for some help. Speaking about religion, people in Croatia are mostly Christian Catholic. So more than 90% of people declare themselves as Christian Catholic. What's interesting is that we don't need to pay any taxes for our religion. I don't know how about at your places, but in most European states, it's like this, that the churches are financed by their believers, so they pay for the taxes. But in Croatia it's not so. In Croatia the church is being financed by the state. So we don't have to pay any amount every month for our church, so that's why more than 90% of people declare themselves as Christian Catholic. But if they should pay something, I'm not so sure if 90% of people would still be Christian Catholic, because our churches are quite empty. Not so popular among younger folks. So yeah, we would see how would it be. But yeah, if you're just interested in like culturally where we are placed, for example, a little bit more southern or more eastern from Croatia, if you go to Serbia, or as I saw you visited, some of you who didn't join just today or some other day, you visited already Italy and Greece, right? So the Greece are mostly Orthodox, so are people from Serbia, but here in Croatia we are Christian Catholics. From this summer we have now a new rule, so this little fortress used to be free. You didn't have to pay anything for the